Hi, I'm Dr. Manasi.
Hi guys, I'm Mausam Gandhi, a bridal makeup artist.
I'm a consultant dermatologist with almost a decade of experience, and today I'm here to talk to you about
Skin prep, product recommendations, stuff you can carry in your bridal touch-up kit, and what you can do to get your bridal trial before your big day.
Weddings can be super stressful, but trust me, with the right skincare prep, you'll be absolutely radiant as you walk down the aisle.
Before we dive into product recommendations for makeup, I'd really love to emphasize on how important it is to have a clear skin before your big day.
So let me break it down for you and get ready to glow.
When you have a good skin, I'm sure your makeup is going to look super flawless and the job for your makeup artist is going to be easier as well.
In this video, I'll be giving you an entire bridal skincare prep. Whether you're 3 months out, 1 month, 1 week, or even if you need some quick fixes on the day of your wedding, I've got tips that'll get you covered. We'll be covering some common bridal skincare concerns like pigmentation, acne, and even dullness. So if you're a bride-to-be, keep watching. We'll start with 3 months out. 3 months before your big day, it's time to start adjusting your skincare routine. Evaluate your routine and see if it's meeting your skincare needs and goals. If you don't already have a skincare routine, it's time to start with the basics. If you have dry skin, start with a gentle cleanser like this one by Minimalist and follow it up with a rich moisturizer like the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. If you have oily, acne-prone skin, a salicylic acid-based cleanser is best for you. You can check out the CosRx Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Follow this up with a non-greasy moisturizer like the Clinique Moisture Surge. Of course, sunscreen is the most important step. Ensure daily usage of a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. The Laneige Watery Sun Cream or the Viral Beauty of Joseon sunscreen are great picks. Or if you want to go for a tinted sunscreen option, if you have a lot of screen time, then this Clinique sunscreen will give you additional blue light protection. If you're sorted with your basics, it's time to add in active ingredients. If you're somebody with oily skin, using a niacinamide-based serum will help in regulating sebum production. If you feel like your skin is dull and dehydrated, then add in hyaluronic acid. If you're looking for brightening of your skin, using a vitamin C serum will help you a lot. You can also consider adding in exfoliants. A gentle BHA-based exfoliant will not only help to unclog your pores, but will also help in prevention of blackheads, whiteheads, and bumps. Using AHA-based exfoliants will help you get smoother skin texture and also brighten the skin. If you have stubborn pigmentation or acne scars, it's a great time to start looking at professional treatments like chemical peels, lasers, or even microneedling. But these procedures usually come with some downtime, so it's important you start early with at least a 3-month lead. You can also speak to your dermatologist if they want to set you up with some prescription products. Ensure you have regular follow-ups and check-ins with your dermatologist. 1 month before the wedding, it's time to finalize your skincare routine and avoid any last-minute changes. This is the time to prioritize hydration. Well-hydrated skin looks plump, dewy, and radiant. Go for hydrating, nourishing creams with moisture-locking ingredients. Incorporate soothing ingredients like aloe, calendula, and even oats. Now is also the time to have all your makeup trials and finalize your makeup. Makeup trials are crucial because they'll help you avoid any sensitivities or breakouts on your big day. Having a makeup trial beforehand will also help your makeup artist understand your skin better and give you makeup products accordingly. While this might be a bit of a controversial opinion, but I would recommend you avoid facials altogether unless this is something that your skin is used to. A lot of facials can lead to sensitivity, irritation, and even breakouts and are best avoided. Even strong in-clinic treatments can come with a lot of downtime and you may not have enough time to recover. So both these are best avoided. Now with just 1 week to go for your big day, it's time to keep things simple and consistency is key. You might want to tone down any heavy active ingredients like retinoids or even exfoliating acid. Switch to soothing and calming products instead. If you have any functions coming up in the last week and you're celebrating Haldi, you might want to incorporate a few tips to help prevent skin staining. You can go for a waterproof sunscreen and even apply makeup to help create a barrier between the haldi and your skin, which will help to reduce the yellowish pigmentation of your skin. Prepare an emergency skincare kit which will help you to handle any last-minute irritations or breakouts. This emergency kit should include a moisturizer like the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. This is a rich and calming cream which will also help to keep your skin hydrated. If in this week you've been using a lot of matte, drying or long wear lipsticks, you might also want to include a lip sleeping mask like the Laneige sleeping mask. also include spot treatments like pimple patches, which will not only help to reduce inflammation but will also prevent you from picking at your blemishes. Lastly, use soothing ingredients like an aloe vera gel if you have oily skin or a centella-based sleeping mask if you have dry skin. On your big day, keep your skincare routine simple, effective and calm. Start with a gentle cleanser, after which you can either apply a hydrating serum or a moisturizer, and lastly top it off with some sunscreen. This will also ensure that your makeup applies smoothly and your skin stays calm. Incorporate these tips and stay consistent with them so your skin looks its best on your big day.
It's not that difficult to make sure that your skin is on point for your big day. There are a couple of products that I'd love to recommend you that you can implement in your routine to make sure you get that glow from within. One advice I'd love to give you all for skincare before doing your makeup would be to keep it as simple as possible. Avoid any active ingredients like vitamin C, AHA, BHA, etc. I'm going to show you two of my favorite moisturizers that I use for all my clients before makeup. The first one is the vitamin enriched base from Bobbi Brown. This is beautiful for dry skin. The makeup just blends like butter into it and it helps to last long. Another product that I'd like to recommend is the Clinique Moisture Surge. This one is for people who have oily skin. It's also another beautiful moisturizer that you can use for before your makeup. If you're somebody who struggles with open pores or shine, I'd recommend using this primer from Smashbox. It's going to make sure that your skin doesn't look oily. Another product that I love is the sunscreen from Minimalist. If you have a day event, make sure you layer this before starting your day. So now I'm going to recommend some products that you can invest in to put in your vanity. The first thing would be a concealer. This one is one of my favorites for the brides-to-be and the brides, which is the Too Faced concealer. It's got a really full coverage and it's going to last you all day long. I then have a couple of foundations that I really love that I'd like to show you. The first one is from Too Faced, the Born This Way range. The second one is the Weightless Skin Foundation from Bobbi Brown. This is for people who are looking for something a little more lighter. And if you have sensitive skin, this one is super amazing. This one is from Clinique. It's a hybrid product, which means it's a serum foundation. Another product that I love and cannot do without is the Smashbox Halo Blush. This one is a liquid formula which makes the skin look really natural and doesn't look too cakey. If you have oily skin, make sure you choose a blush that is a powder finish because that's going to make sure that your skin doesn't look shiny. I love this one from NARS. It comes in a beautiful shade range. I'd recommend using loose powders over pressed powders since the texture is slightly more fine and it's going to make sure your wrinkles and creases aren't seen. The product that I love the most is the Laura Mercier loose powder. Two of my favorite brands for brushes are MAC and Smashbox. These are perfect to give you the blended look. The next product is for your brows and I'm sure all of you have heard about this product. It's been an internet favorite since a couple of years now. It's the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Moving on to eyeshadows, I do have a favorite palette which is the MAC Connect in Colors. This one has a beautiful shade range of browns. It's going to be very useful for you for all your looks. Now we know that powder eyeshadows need a little bit of practice, so I have something which is slightly easier for the beginners out here. It's the Laura Mercier Stick Eyeshadow. It's super easy. You just apply it and you can blend it with your finger and you're going to be good to go. I love finishing off my looks with eyeliner, so I have the one from NARS and Smashbox. Both of these are liquid eyeliners and very easy to use. No look is complete without the lashes looking like they're on point. So here I have the internet's favorite mascara, Max Stack. I'd recommend using 2 coats of this. Top up your blush with this highlighter to give that perfect bridal glow from within look. I'd recommend using the Becca one. Around your wedding, it's a good idea to invest in a good range of shades and a mix of textures for lipsticks. Some of my favorite lipstick brands are Estee Lauder, Smashbox, MAC. I also would recommend you to invest in a couple of limited edition collections like this one from Sabyasachi x Estee Lauder. If you're looking for something that's going to last all day long, you can try out these from Maybelline and L'Oreal. I'd highly recommend getting a trial with your makeup artist just to make sure that you are on the same page with them. Discuss the current trends with them so that you can take a call if you want to go with a trending look or stick to the classic. Make sure you communicate what you like and don't like so that they get a clear idea of what you're expecting and you end up falling in love with the look they've created. Always carry a mini touch-up kit just to avoid any mishaps. I'd recommend taking a lipstick, a powder puff, some safety pins and eyelash glue to make sure that if anything moves, you can put it right back in place. While we've set our vanity with the best products, don't forget to keep stuff like tissues, wet wipes, cotton pads and earbuds just to remove or change around any makeup. I also would highly recommend this Clinique Take the Day Off Balm and top it up with a face wash to remove your makeup so that your skin is fresh and clean. So if you guys have any questions about skin prep, makeup or how to organize your vanity, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help you in the comment section.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video.
If you found this video informative, make sure to like this video and
Comment below whatever you want to see next.
subscribe to SSBeauty.